Hi, and if you're new to Lanier, welcome. My name is Kara Payne and I work in the main office of Lanier Middle School. Today I will be talking to you about distance learning attendance and what that looks like. While yes, we are doing virtual learning in the fall, your student is still expected and required to attend their classes. Yes, Mondays are asynchronous days, but there will be a point in the day they are required to check in with the teacher, and once that information becomes available, we will get that information out to you. If your student is going to be absent one or more days, you are asked to call the main office at 703-934-2424 to our 24/7 attendance hotline, or visit our Lanier website and click on the attendance form. If your student is going to be out for a week or more, you are required to notify the main office as well. They will then work on an asynchronous adjusted schedule, which has to be approved by an administrator. I can't wait, and I look forward to working with all of you. Have a wonderful 2021 school year.